Hey everybody, it's Paul with CDA. I want to go ahead and go over a quick tip trick for our route managers that are going to be in the scheduler dashboard quite a bit. And eventually you will come upon an issue where you look down here, you say to yourself, hey, there's 3 jobs, and then you look over here and you only see 3 push pens. So that's obviously a problem. And you're wondering to yourself, hey, how did that happen? Well, there's a simple answer for it. What happened was, more than likely, the customer sent a text message to the customer service department and said, hey, you have my address on file without the apartment number. And the apartment number is actually J. So what happens is the customer service agent updated the file to be address apartment J, and that geocoding did not get to your dashboard quick enough for you to see that there was an address change. This is a discrepancy that does happen when you're using geocoding in BMS systems, but CDA did prep for that because it is something we all know we're going to face, and it's quite simple to fix. All you're going to do is you're going to right click on the missing claim, and you're going to say, hey, can you give me a renew on my longitude latitude? CDA is going to say, absolutely, let's go ahead and refresh it for you. We're done. And then all we're going to do, we're going to come down here, we're going to say, hey, refresh that data. CDA is going to say, okay. Then we're going to come over here and we're going to say, hey, give me a map refresh. And now you'll see, I got 3 jobs, and lo and behold, I have my 3 push pens. So I did just want to let you know about that. It is a good tip trick to remember, and we certainly want you to have access on YouTube to be able to solve that problem. So this will conclude our video.